welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody is doing well. I am also well. Thank you all of you for lots of love, support and the subscription. Really grateful to all of you. Before I start the video, I want to share one more thing to all of you. In this channel, Organic Living with Archita, in this channel from now, it will be continuing with the beauty related video. So the only beauty related video I will be posting here, because I already have opened one Bengali channel. The name is New Life in USA Arpita. So basically that channel I will be posting travel, information related videos and cooking and everything. So in this channel I just want to share the beauty related video so that the audience don't get confused, you know. So if you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. I will be happy to answering. So let's come to the point. Nowadays we all know that makeup are really expensive, and when the topic is coming about our face, we can't use anything bad, very cheaper we can't use, and it makes your skin harmful and many more things. Some of them they have steroids, so we have to really scared about many things. When we will be using some product, before we have to check the review, and also it doesn't matter that you are checking the review and you will be getting the correct things. No, because every person's skin is different. You have to know about your own skin, then you will be able to buy something, but still you don't know, and the makeup is really costly. But the trend is people always wants to like more beautiful as normal when they are going for party. Even most of the office employee, they are using the makeup regular basis. And if we think about the money, and a lot money we are spending for our makeup, so why not we think something about we can spend less money, and the thing we have on our hand, can we do something with that? Today I will be sharing one makeup hack trick that will save your money, and also the ingredients most of the girl has their makeup box. So let's start it, don't waste time, okay? So the first thing I want to share with all of you, you can see one spot, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is little, not much. Here is more. So I have one problem about the pimple. I always get some pimples in my face. So for this reason, I have to when I buy some makeup product, then I always think about, oh, this brand will be nice, that will be good. And when you are thinking about something organic, that's good. I'm saying organic is always good, but when we can take one example. If you put the raw aloe vera in your skin, it will be very good for your skin. But at the same time, the raw aloe vera, many people's skin are very sensitive. They can't have the raw aloe vera on their skin. So that's I told, every people's skin are different. So in this situation, when I have lot of black spot in my skin, and when we start doing makeup and we have to look good at the same time, then you have to use the makeup corrector here, otherwise you can't remove them. If you put the foundation, if you put the face powder, it will still be visible, and that's so bad. All your skin will be nice and the tone will be even, only this part will be still showing the black spot. And when I searched many of counter like Walmart and everywhere, it is very costly. When I wanted to buy the makeup corrector, it is very costly. Then I found, I just thought about in my mind what I can do to correct the black spot. Then I really using a few months one thing, and it is not harmful, it is very nice, and you will not see any kind of dark spot. Even you can use your underneath of the eyes also. That is really helpful. So today I will be sharing that trick to all of you, that how we can use the things we have, all the girl have in their makeup box, and you don't have to buy the face corrector separately. So let's start it. So what I will be using, everybody has the eyeshadow, right? So for us, like who have the medium skin, not too fair, not black, in the medium tone skin, you can always use the kind of red and orange one. So how you will use, either you can use the brush or you can use your finger. That's fine, totally fine. So I'm using my finger. You can put here. You can see the instant result. You don't have to buy the face corrector. Really, you don't have to buy. Before I start makeup, I always use vitamin C. That was in my face, and moisturizer we all use. So the moisturizer and the vitamin C previously I had applied in my face. Now wherever I have little bit of dark black spot, I'm using that eyeshadow. I don't have to run to the store. You can use here. You can use here. You can use here. Okay, let's come little closer so that it will be more visible to you. You can see. That's how I'm using. Yeah. This part, not this part, I'm showing you. Yeah, this part I have more black spot, that's why I just put a little extra. And here's some. I don't have any black spot here, but I put. So anyways, that's done. Okay, so our next step is I will be going, next step is I will be going to my concealer. Okay, so for eye you can use the concealer. Yeah, I'm looking so weird, right? That's not a problem. It will be corrected. So now just tap like this with the makeup blender. You can use this part. Like this. So the concealer is already melted. Now I will be using the foundation. This is Dream Radiant Liquid, just normal foundation. Again, I'm using my hand. I'm taking, and now I will be blending. Look. Now you have to use that part. Just dab like this. First you have to dab. Do little hurry up, otherwise it will be dry. So just do little dab like this. Later we can adjust. Am I look like a ghost? Don't worry, it will be okay. For little adjustment with the color, you have to put little here also. Just dab like this. Look, I'm all set. Now the time is, you have to use your face powder. Just setting your foundation, just setting your color. Yeah. Done. Now I will be highlight my brows. So just create the shape you have naturally, as well as I will do that one too. Now I will be using my kajal. Like this, and if you want to put your liner on the top you can do, but today only kajal I only use here. As well as this I put my, I already put my kajal. Now my dress is red, you can see, that's why I will put I don't have any kind of dark red something. I have little bit of kind of red and pink. I will use that one. Oh, not that one. Sometime just one eyeshadow, not many. That's it. Okay, for highlighting you can use some golden eyeshadow here. Golden eyeshadow, and on the corner and Our last part is mascara. This is my favorite. Lot of mascara, right? Not much. For regular use, you don't have to put a lot of mascara. I think that's fine. That's okay. I will not use a lot. And for lipstick, we are almost done. Now we have to put the red lipstick because my dress is red. If I put too much red, it will be like, I don't like that. So you can put little bit and you can rub like this. You're all set. Ow! Sometimes, you know, and you can keep your hair whatever you want. So I prefer to put my hair like this. Last part of the makeup. My blusher. That's I done. Look how it was my face. There is no dark spot, nothing. I didn't use anything. In front of your eyes I did everything. Just only one eyeshadow make a big difference. So I hope you guys liked it, and I'm coming with my final look. I was thinking, actually this is my final look. I don't have to come with my final look. So anyways, but still I will be showing how I'm looking, so you can out some hair from here, and you can put nice earring, so you will be looking so gorgeous. This is my own trick from eyeshadow. If you like, you can try that out at your when you are doing makeup, because I feel nobody's skin is perfect. Everybody has some problem. If they have freckle, if they have pimple, if they have black spot, they can use the trick. This is really effective makeup hack, and I'm really grateful to all of you for the subscription that I told you before, but still I'm making request to all of you. Please, the friend who is visiting to our channel, please subscribe, and you know, your one subscription is really a big love to me. Please. Okay, I'm coming with my final look. Where's the black spot? Wow. So it's all gone, right? So I only used the eyeshadow that you saw. So every girl has some eyeshadow in their makeup box, I think. So you don't have to buy the makeup corrector separately. People who have a lot of money, they can buy, but people who are like me, not have a lot of money, so they can use their own makeup tools in multiple way that I use today. So I hope you guys liked it, and it will be really helpful for all of you. And today I have to say goodbye to all of you, and I will be meet with another video very soon. Till then, please stay with me, subscribe the channel, hit the bell on, and lots of love. Love you. Take care, okay?